Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable screen recording on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store. Now from here just search X Recorder. Now from here just install the X Recorder app. Now it will take a few seconds to download. Now once the app is fully downloaded, tap on Open. Now from here, just tap on the X icon at the upper left corner on the display. Now from here, just tap on Enable. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on the X Recorder app. Now from here, just enable this option. Now once you enable this option, go back. Now from here, just give this app these permissions. Now once you give this app the permissions, just go to your home screen. Now as you can see, you can find the X Recorder shortcut icon at the right side of your smartphone. Now if you tap on this X Recorder shortcut icon, you can start screen recording. Now from here, tap on while using the app. Now from here, tap on Start Now. Now as you can see, it will start screen recording. Now from here, if you tap on this icon again, you can enable other shortcuts. You can pause the screen recording. Also, if you tap on this icon again, you will start again screen recording. Now if you tap on this brush icon, you can draw on your screen, just like that. Now if you tap on this back button, you can disable the icons you draw. Now if you want to stop screen recording, just tap on this icon again and tap on the square icon. Now from here, just tap on your home button. Now from here, just open the gallery app. Now from here, as you can see, you can find your screen recording in your Photos app. And this is how you can enable screen recording on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.